Hi, how you doing?
Chị đã gọi nhận được anh.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I'll let my helmet sit. How's that?
So she told you?
Yeah. So it's I'm gonna do a restocking fee for 300,000 BND. So yeah, she did tell me. So I get back this much. Yeah. Okay.
So you want to change another?
Oh no, I'm just gonna get some stuff here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just fix some stuff out. Welcome to Anh Duc Digital here in Danang, Vietnam. It's a great place to get all of your camera needs and accessories when it comes to filming and photography. I've been shopping here at Anh Duc Digital for the past 4 years since I've been living here in Danang, Vietnam. And I've never been disappointed once, to be honest. They have great customer service, friendly atmosphere, as you can see from the smiling faces. And yeah, very helpful and knowledgeable when it comes to any questions you may have. Now, don't get me wrong, sometimes they may not know due to language, a little bit of a language barrier, but for the most part they do speak English. And like I said, they're very knowledgeable and they will try to get your needs met as much as they can in terms of being able to speak English and so forth. So it's a great place to come and get anything that you're looking for when it comes to accessories and more. And in my book, that equals a 10 out of 10. Do you have cases like a battery case for the Sony ZV-1, like a battery to put batteries in? Yeah, like a case. No. No.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I think I'll just get some more. You're always gonna need memory. So for the
GoPro?
GoPro, yes. How much is that? Yeah, I was taking a look at these yesterday, so these could use for GoPro and Sony ZV-1.
Yeah, it's good. I have a sample.
Returning the Max Lens mod for stuff that I can actually use. Okay.
So you can use
Okay.
and camera at the same time.
Oh, okay. And that's why I could just put the GoPro here. So this is like a practical, this is good and practical, which is what I like about it. And easy to use. But how much is this anyway?
2,090,000.
Oh, wow. 2 million.
2,090,000.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna get this. Okay, and this is I could use this for my GoPro too. So, and what about the Sony? Okay. Actually, yeah. Actually, you know what? Let me have one of these. Since I have a lot of these already, I'm gonna have one of these back here. Yeah, I'm gonna have one of these, and 2 GoPro batteries. Yeah. So one more. So 1 memory card for my Sony ZV-1 and 2 GoPro batteries in exchange for the max lens mod, which is what I'm not going to use too much of. Okay. All right, so 2 of these. So yeah, so I'm returning this. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna buy this. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it. So you gotta be good to me, man. I spend a lot of money, so. Yeah. Is your manager?
No.
Manager over there, okay. Oh, okay. She's supervisor then? Or new employee? I'm not sure. New employee. Oh, so she's shadowing you. Okay. Yeah, in America we call that shadowing. Like a new employee shadows an old employee to see how they work. Yeah, yeah. All right. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay. Do you need the receipt? Need a receipt? Oh no. Okay. All right. As you can see, nothing but professionalism and helpful smiles when it comes to Anh Duc Digital. So I highly recommend Anh Duc for all of your camera accessories and more. They're always fully stocked compared to others, and whatever they don't have, they'll order it for you. Also, when it comes to returns, you'll have 7 days after purchase to return it. And if the item is open, just remember there's a restocking fee. Beyond that, you will also have a 1-year warranty on most purchases, depending on the item. There's also delivery services for larger items at a low cost as well. So just remember, when in town, consider Anh Duc Digital. And you know, they're very friendly, very helpful, and as you can see, nothing but smiles, nothing but smiles. And I can't say enough about them. I'm actually considered one of their best customers, or #1 customer, because I'm always going there. And you know, I when I go there, I go with my best personality. And you know, one thing I could say about being here in Vietnam is that once you go with your best personality, you get the best. So Anh Duc Digital. Appreciate all the help. Thanks. How much is the Osmo? The Osmo, the DJI Osmo. How much is it?
4,900,000.
Oh, 4,900,000. Okay. Is it worth it? Is it good compared to the
The new?
Yeah.
I think it's about 70%.
70%. Oh, okay. Is there a new DJI Osmo?
No, it's the old version.
That's the old version. Oh, okay. How much is the new one?
The new one.
Do you have a
Single is 8 million.
Oh wow. Oh okay.
The Osmo 2.
Osmo 2? Oh okay, okay.
Ít mà có bố ổ cơ chụp hẳn đến rồi hả?
Chỉnh trên cài đặt có mà bạn đang dùng của gì? Anh hỏi thì bây giờ là trong cái đầu để sao